Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the talk show, or we say talk as we walk. And we have our evening guests here. Two evening guests, I'll say that. You are?
My name is Nitin Sachdeva and I'm the Indian representative for Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau.
Well, great. And she is?
I am Nut Homrasupon, Director of Meetings and Incentives Department from Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau. Let me greet you the Thai way. Sawadika.
Swadika as well. Well, it's a great opportunity, in this platform when we say talk as we walk, and we would like to know, and the audience, what we cater to is corporate, golfers, travel agents, tour operators, fashion designers, and whatnot. And Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau has a lot to offer, isn't it?
Of course, definitely. And this is the main reason we are here today in Delhi. We are at Pullman Aero City, and tonight we are inviting over 50 corporate clients that we've been working together with them throughout these years. And it's the way to show our appreciation to their support, to our continued growth in the country, especially in the MICE sector.
Well, TSAB has really shown a great numbers increase from the Indian market. They have been doing fantastic job as far as I know, because I was a part of one of the FAMs they created about 2017 or so. Nitin, you have to say something on that, because you were instrumental in taking up there at the Chiang Mai.
That event was Thailand Incentive and Meeting Exchange, which actually kick-started in 2016 with the China edition. And we did the 2017 India edition, where we had over 40 planners and some media friends like you on the trip. And you saw how we were able to do 3 segments of that show, which was about creating knowledge for the private sector, doing business exchange with the planners that went to Thailand, and of course showing the destination in a newer way so that we can drive more innovation and product development to the destination.
Yes, and for sure, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking to Kun Nush Homrasupon. Well, it's not a difficult name, easy name to remember.
You got it almost right.
And then perhaps let's talk about the number increase. I think you shared with the media meet today here, and there were number increase of TSAB from Indian market. Can you share, Kun?
Of course. In 2018, we saw a very high growth from Indian market of 18% out of India to Thailand. And this contribute to 12% of all the overall MICE visitors coming to the country.
Can you be more specific?
More specific, and I would like to say that India is on our top 2 markets after China. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a fact.
Yeah. Yes.
And out of this figure that we have successfully drive towards it, 70% of this come from the corporate meetings and corporate incentive. That's why, once again, we are here to thank them for their support.
Definitely, it's an encouraging numbers, bound to increase further. We will topple China market, I'm sure, for sure, very soon, with the kind of new packages, new destinations, new programs which are going to launch for the Indian market. That is going to be the crux of TSAB, or we call it Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau. Kun Nush, tell us something more. Why you are here? This is that thankfulness to the clients. Fair enough. How you're going to attract tourism? How you're going to attract MICE tourism, or you can say that corporate tourism into Thailand?
Sure. We, TSAB, we are not working alone. Our focus is work with partners. Partnership play a very important role in our success, especially in this market. And tonight, without miss, we work with Thai Airways International and Accor Hotels. So the 3 organizations partner up to show the appreciation to the clients.
Fabulous. And what are your future plans, when we talk about, organizing the events? Or, there's something, you have some plans done up for the Indian market. 2020 is going to play a very big role in terms of enticing and exciting new clientele, new corporates. How you're going to maintain that?
We keep expanding our clientele through our Indian market, and we started off to target the tier 2 and tier 3 city. We started like a few years back already.
We have been
right?
doing that campaign for 5 years now. and we were doing a lot of educational seminars to actually understand what the market needs. We do a lot of think tanks to understand what the customers want and what are the challenges, and then we, in turn, come up with solutions which actually drive those, challenges into solutions. And that's how we are driving the new market as well. And we're also understanding what each market requirement is.
Kunush, your logo, a new logo,
Yes.
very attractive. Ladies and gentlemen, when we see the new logo of redefining Thailand, redefine your business events, this is what is going to be the game changer in the coming future. My last question to you would be how it is going to change the world and the Indian market. The redefine Thailand, redefine your business events.
Okay, sure. We launched a new brand communication message, which is, as you mentioned, Thailand redefine your business events. We, as a convention bureau, our usual normal role would be facilitator, marketer, promoter for people to bring MICE events to our country. With the redefining role, our focus would be more on to be your co-creator, your collaborator, your partner, and your thought leader. These are our 4 key focus.
We will request Kunush to repeat these words. They're very important, ladies and gentlemen, to know these. These 4 key words are really important for the MICE segment from Thailand. Please, Kunush, please define these 4 words again, keywords.
Okay, sure. The co-creator.
The co-creators.
Yes. And then collaborator.
Collaborators.
Partner.
Partners.
And thought leader.
And thought leaders. Oh, these are 4 really very good keywords which TCEB is going to use in this new campaign, and definitely is going to be a great success. Should I say thank you Nitin, thank you Kunush for giving us your valuable time. I'm sure that 2020 would be a game changer for TCEB in the time to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thanks a
very
lot.
much.